Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My dear students, I am from Higher Secondary School Sogam, and today I am going to discuss a very good topic, and that is population explosion. In the last chapter, you have read that the meaning of population education and its objectives. Now today, I am going to tell you about the meaning of population explosion, its cause and consequences. Dear students, population explosion means the increase of population beyond control, or in other words, it can also be defined as the rapid rate of growth of population is called population explosion. In the year 1650, the world population was estimated as 500 million. It took world population several centuries to double itself. But within past 45 years, the population of the world has doubled. In our country also, population has been increasing at a very high speed. Since 1921, the size of Indian population has become more than 3.5 times. That is, from 25.1 crores in 1921 to 84.4 crores in 1991. 89 crores in 1994. If both the birth rate and death rate in the India maintain the same level, the population of India will double itself in next 30 years. The population of Jammu and Kashmir, like other parts of India, showed an unprecedented growth. जिस तरह हिंदुस्तान की आबादी बहुत ज्यादा हुई है पिछले कुछ सदियों में, इसी तरह जे की आबादी भी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। मीन्स वो भी बियॉन्ड कंट्रोल जा रही है। अब गौर कीजिएगा, अब देखिएगा, अच्छी तरह से देखिएगा। ये फिगर्स है ना, इन फिगर्स को आपको देखना है। पॉपुलेशन इन द स्टेट इंक्रीज्ड फ्रॉम 32.5 lakh in 1951 to 59.8 lakh in 1981 and 77.1 lakh in 1991 and 84 lakh in 1994 estimated. The decadal variation in growth rate has been about 30% in 1961 to 1971, यानी 60 की दहाई में इसकी जो ग्रोथ रेट थी वो 30% थी, एंड इन 1971 to 81 it was 29%, एंड 1981 से 91 तक जो पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ की जो परसेंटेज है वो 24% है। Likewise, in 2001, India's population hit 1 billion. हमारे हिंदुस्तान की जो आबादी बढ़ गई है 2001 ईस्वी तक, वो 1 बिलियन तक जा पहुंची थी। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011 सेंसस, India's population touched 1.21 billion. Rapid growth of population has become a matter of concern for all. If both the birth rate and death rate in India maintain the same level, the population of India will double itself in next 30 years. Now, the question arises here. ये मैं आपके साथ बात कर रहा हूं। अब क्वेश्चन है, whether the population explosion is a blessing or a gift. जरा आप भी गौर कीजिएगा, क्या ये गिफ्ट हो सकती है? क्या ये ब्लेसिंग है? ब्लेसिंग को दूसरा वर्ड यहाँ पे ज्यादातर लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, भून। क्या ये भून है या कर्स है? ऑटोमेटिकली पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन ये तो कर्स ही हो सकता है। फॉर द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, वो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं लाइक स्पेन, इटली एक्स्ट्रा, where the population is decreasing, this might be considered as a boon for them. It may be blessing for them. However, for the developing countries like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, population explosion is a curse and is damaging to the development of the country. The developing countries already facing a lack in their resources, and with the rapidly increasing population, the resources available per person are reduced further, leading to increased poverty, malnutrition, and other large population related problems. Now, the growth of population. ये कैसे बढ़ती है, ये कैसे बढ़ रही है, किन तरीकों से ये पॉपुलेशन किसी इलाके की, किसी स्टेट की या किसी सिटी की पॉपुलेशन कैसे बढ़ रही है, या किसी नेशन की पॉपुलेशन कैसे बढ़ती है। ग्रोथ ऑफ पॉपुलेशन is the change in the number of people living in a particular area between 2 points of time. Its rate is expressed in percentage. Population growth has two components, namely, यहाँ पे इसी तरह से हमने लिखा है, namely natural and induced. The natural growth is analyzed by assessing the crude birth and death rates, and the induced components are explained by the volume of inward and outward movement of people. इनवर्ड हो गया जो किसी शहर में आते हैं लोग, आउटवर्ड हो गया जो वहां से निकलते हैं। मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल इन एनी एरिया, द decadal and annual growth rates of population in India are both very high and steadily increasing over time. The annual growth rate of India's population is 2.4%. At this current rate of increase, अगर इसी तरीके से हिंदुस्तान की पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज होती गई, it is estimated that country's population will double itself in another 36 years and even surpass population of China. Now, next, what are the consequences of population explosion? ये बहुत ही बड़ा क्वेश्चन है। पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन से यहाँ पे क्या असरात हम पर पड़ सकते हैं। Population explosion results into high growth rate, and this creates a serious problem in the part of development process in India. The consequences of population explosion are as under. Increase in unemployment. Number one, ये increase in unemployment है। Problems of unemployment or underemployment or educated unemployment or because of the increase in population. ये सब इसी से है। In 1951, there were 12.3 million unemployed persons in India, while this number rose up to 48.6 million in the beginning of 7th plan and more than 55 million in the beginning of 8th plan. There are too few jobs for too many people. Many people do not get any work to do. इसलिए आपको भी लग रहा है कि आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, लोग बेकार हैं। नंबर सेकंड, increasing poverty. Rapid growth of population is a main cause of our increasing poverty. More than 40% of our population live below the poverty line. All development programs initiated by the government of India have failed to solve the problem of poverty because of the rapid growth of the population. Due to rapid increase in population, people are not getting sufficient amount of food, which in turn decline the economic development of the country. Number third, housing shortage. Rapid increase in population has led to housing problem. This is more so in cities because people from the rural areas are shifting towards the urban areas for better living conditions. One has to pay a huge amount of money in order to get an accommodation. Due to unavailability of proper living space, people live on footpath or in slums. Number four, low standard of living. Rapid growth of population accounts for low standard of living in India. Basic necessities are not fulfilled adequately. There is shortage of food, shortage of cloth, shortage of houses. It results in the lack of proper education, proper medical facilities, and social service, and so on. Population in India is reached to 1 crore 40 lakh. Population India is reached to 130 crore at present. This increased population needs 150 lakh tons of food grains, 8.9 crores meters of cloth, 3 lakh houses, 1.50 lakh primary schools, and 5 lakh teachers, which is impossible at this rate. Pressure on land, ये fifth point है. Due to increased urban population, there is more pressure on land. Per capita consumption is more, and this results into decline in quality of land. Also, the carrying capacity of the land is decreasing, and the number of individuals goes beyond the limits. Moreover, the problem of division and fragmentation supplemented this problem. Number 6, effect on economic development. हमारी जो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट है ये इसको भी तहस नहस करेगी. Due to lack of proper resources, most of the people living in urban areas or cities belongs to below poverty line, and this reduces the nation's capacity to save the invest. It is posing a great hurdle. It is posing a great threat in the economic development of the country. This makes our country economically low. Number 7, pollution. One of the major effects of population explosion is increase in pollution. Due to urbanization and industrialization, the cities are becoming more polluted. It increases the chances of diseases that creates imbalance in the environment. Due to pollution, the physical, chemical, and biological properties of air, land, and water is changing drastically. नंबर नेक्स्ट, ये हमारा 8th पॉइंट है, इफेक्ट ऑन एजुकेशन. ये इस पे बहुत ही मुज़िर असरात पड़ सकते हैं. ड्यू टू population explosion, our education system fails to give quality education to the students. More and more number of individuals are getting admitted to the schools, colleges, and universities. In school, each class contains more than 30 students, and this creates a great chaos as a teacher cannot attend each and every student in the classroom. Even the higher education system, most of the students bunk their classes without any knowledge of teachers. Thus, education system fails to develop the all-round personality of an individual. Number next, inflation. Our India is a developing country. It is still under the process of development. Due to lack of well-designed machines, the production is less. It results into rise in the price of articles as it does not fulfill the needs of rising population. Number last, that is 10th number, declining standards of human resources. Due to increase in birth rate, the number of individuals are rising, and this results into frequent maternity periods. It is not considered to be fruitful for the development of nation because women also plays an important role in the healthy development process. Due to high birth rates, women remained disabled in most of the important periods of the year, and this leads to decreased standards of human resources. Thus, from the above points, it becomes clear that population explosion can lead us to many adverse effects, and if not properly checked timely, it can become disastrous. Thank you very much.